me something. What Jamaica would I do without Spanish Town, man? Yo, tell me something. What time of day crime keep? Cause I'm in Jamaica right now and I expect say yo, you know, I have to dodge, skip and hop bullet. You see me? I have to drift from bullet.
And that's the beat there, sir?
Yeah. And I don't know if it's crime of a specific time of day where it go on or keep, cause I don't see no crime. I'm in one place that's supposed to be chaotic, but yet still it's like my time travel go back in a space and time. Now there a river. I pick apple. I just walk barefoot. Brief me I walk in, I walk come around from the river. And that's not even a vampire I say. I don't know what go on. What go on? What time crime start and what time it done? You see me? What time crime start and what time it done? Tell me what go on.
But people can't buy into the nonsense, there's a crime.
What we are talking about, Squaddy? People terrified to come to Jamaica, you know?
Like, yeah, fucking.
Nah, careful when you reach a Jamaica cause them the ramp. I say, I which part of Jamaica me I go different from where I go. I wonder if them are going to some place where they come from and then go show off on the people them instead of just take with themselves and go other places. Sometimes you have to know when you outgrow your space, you know, just heal and go through. Jamaica too small for each up in a one community for all of your life.
Are too big?
Too small. Yeah, too big. Yeah. It's big and it's small, it's the same thing. You can't just the one place. Watch it. Catch your views. No smoke from riverside. No nice pollution. Catch your views. Catch your views.
Them not get it?
Them not get it. When them see them thing, them type of something, them regret it. When I left me yard for. You see me?
I don't know. Give them a mountain range view. Where are they?
Up there, so up the hill. Bamboo.
Upper Mama, Sky and Mountain.
Sky and Mountain. Meat.
Alright. Oh, I'm going to stop the Tundra from the road. They ain't like you can't stop the Tundra.
Oh, God.
Only thing for America, the American vehicle. See, that's the only thing we want from America. Yeah? We want a good old big engine.
Yeah.
Good old gas guzzler.
And if that fail, the Pro Box will never fail.
See there?
Ja. Mark X. Mark X. You see me? Just a live that. Yeah, man, on book a ticket now, today. Don't be scared.
No, don't book no ticket. Stay away. Stay.
Nah, man, I want to come out here, man. Come spend some money in our local economy. If you go a blood clot, Rio and them places, you better go and back here.
The economy tell us we want no money.
Yeah, we want some money.
We don't deal with economy. Economy is a system based on lack. We're based on abundance. So we burn the economy.
So we want it. Talk to you want.
Eh? Abundance to deal with, man.
So you just carry your love and your joy can give it.
Yeah, man, just carry your love, man. Just come and we give you something, you know.
Yeah.
You know.
That is true. Yes, man. Oh, my general.
What you call me? What you call me for, brother?
I know me.
What you call?
So what call?
So what call? Eh?
Oh,
Eh? Everything good?
my day I do.
Alright.
I know me did that call. I made it that call.
Bless up.
Tell me something. What Jamaica would I do without Spanish Town, man?
Spanish Town, man.
Yeah.
But, yo, I want them to jackfruit the up to the time. One of them must, right, brother?
Right, man.
Stay and run off and one day, brother.
Where?
See there?
A little one is up.
Triple one up there, so.
That's not ripe yet, man, you. I ain't never ripe, I walk up it.
Turn it up.
You see where you're at?
Do me. Yeah. See them and that one there with the stain for the pan.
That's not ripe yet. Yeah, tell us that not ripe.
You don't know ripe jackfruit, brother.
The people that do it without Spanish town, man. The Jamaica that do it without Spanish town.
Here we are going now. This is Spanish town, man.
Yeah.
You see, we set a man that we did style master and forget to have a plantation.
Yeah.
Or style master and stay up on the plantation and live good.
Yeah.
Spanish town man them there. You get what I'm saying? Yeah. Style, you want them to have argument.
Full of crap.
Man, them have argument. It's on countryman that say argument. Man, them have argument.
Oh. I tell you. Man, them full of crap. And that's why all this deal no some man. And never knows a Spanish town.
All is a Spanish town, man. Yeah.
Generally fuck.
Yeah, man. I just say it there now.
Up on the side there, up in the hillside.
Yeah, man. You see colors there, you know?
All up in the hillside, you know?
You know, so next time, next person me pass, I'm going to stop and ask them for crime.
You see her, yeah?
Yeah.
I should up on the phone. Should up on the phone. Next man we pass, we ask. Because the man them would have more know what crime they don't. Yeah.
Alright, we ask them what crime.
And I say crime, Jamaica crime ridden.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. General.
Yo, I bless up. Everything good. You know, so I drive through car. Now I come out half I plane there and them say Jamaica full of crime. But me I drive and I look for a crime, but me not see none. And when me find Mr. Crime. Eh? Mr. Crime not live at them place.
I don't know Mr. Crime go let the cross the water.
Mr. Crime. Mr. Crime go to the cross the water. Because me a drive and me a look for crime and me not see no crime.
Yes, I come to Jamaica. I look for that nigga left him behind you.
Me left it there? Yeah, makes sense. Makes sense. Bless up yourself here, Aya.
Yeah, man.
Alright, stay safe.
A tree they full of apple, but they look tall up in the sky there. Yeah. Nobody know that they can sell me some.
You have to feed them beer you put, man.
Yeah.
Just a waste.
Yeah, man, apple.
Yeah, man. You want stick under it there?
Yeah, man, we are going to look some apple, man.
Go look out for your can, man.
Alright, respect.
Walk up the van and go look out for your can.
That we are going to do.